Nap ले लिया.
Surprisingly, Suji ne, हमारा बच्चे, we don't have that much age difference, but Suji still remembers a lot. Like, real memories with Kakaji. I have very few physical memories with Kakaji. We were very small kids, so Daddy said that the last 5 sabhas that Kakadi, made it a point to and asked everyone to come, and he himself came for the last 5 sabhas. I remember some murtis and images from there. Before that, in Powai, we used to, go there to just basically play in the mountains with Hiten, Darshan, Vandan, Chetan, Raju, and Piyush and those guys. And then when Sabha is over, Arun Bhai will call us. Okay, chalo Kakaji, Kantya kane pagila gone prasad. So that was our routine. Pal Kakaji was around, But in terms of getting interested in satsang, Vashi uncle and Bharat Bhai were the the greatest, very graceful and catalyst for us, for me both, for myself and Vandan. I remember there was an incident that Vashi uncle, in his dreams, Kakaji came, and he said to send Vandan, Darshan, and myself to America. Kakaji told Vashi uncle that America mokalva chhe, And so Vashi uncle, even like right away following day, he arranged for Mahapuja at Powai, and he called us. And I remember that Mahapuja, Kakaji sabda mein aaya chhe, apne Mahapuja karvi chhe. And I was maybe in 7th or 8th grade, right? 8th standard. And I remember very distinctly from at that point on, Vashi uncle took very active role in our studies. He would, a lot of times he would just, we lived in Kandivali, and Tardev is about like at least hour plus away by train, and even more by car, But there were sometimes, he would just come in the night, on a working day, stay with us, talk to us until late night, and then next day morning, either train or taxi, go to work, Then Bharatchan Bhai used to often come, Ramesh Bhai used to come, Raju Bhai, all of those Bhaiyos, they kept on coming, and every time they came, we remember those incidences. Then also after some time, the Kamlanagar temple was started, and so Kothari Swami used to stay at our place a lot, and that also gave us a lot of motivation and force to go in satsang. But Vashi uncle, specifically in my life, he played like an amazing role. In 8th grade, there was a shibir, and I used to like everyone, they were asking, Bharat Bhai was asking everyone, Kesu, what do you want to become when you grow up? And everyone saying a doctor, engineer, and somehow I said that I want to become a scientist. And so Vashi uncle latched onto that. And I remember on the bus trip back, we kept on talking about different science things. What would an 8th grade guy know about science? But he kept me so, he felt that I really know science, That was Vashi uncle's greatness, And he would then, he bought us like all this encyclopedia and all the books to read, Just because I had interest in science, he used to do that. Then in 10th grade, he told me that you have to come in merit list. Now, if I look at my academics, I was not that bright in studies, My rank in a class of 75 would be like 35 or 45, So I was not that, that good in studies, But Vashi uncle in 10th grade, he told me that we had to come in merit list and we have to work really hard for that. So he set such a high bar for me. And he, for that, there's a whole thing that he arranged for our tuitions, and there's so many different stories. We don't have time, but he did a lot of for us to get educated. Then 11th, 10th grade, 12th grade, same thing. Then engineering. Engineering, there was two options. One was VJTI is like one of the best engineering schools in the country, and the top in the state and the city as well, where Vandan went. Bapu also was part of VJTI. And so I had an option to go in electrical engineering in VJTI, or go to like computer science in like a second level school, which was Tadamal. And so Bharat Bhai told me, let's take computer science. And I know my dad wanted for me to go to VJTI because Vandan went there. Now 12th, I was part of the first 150 kids, and still I couldn't make into VJTI computer science. I was getting other faculties, but I was not getting computer science, because you get only like 30, 40 seats, and those are just taken away by first 60 people. So I was forced in. So it just closed in front of me, and my dad was like, अरे यार मड़ियों नहीं पढ़ने VJTI में. And I remember Bharat Bhai told me, so I was very, very, Bharat Bhai कहूँ है, so this is the best thing. And happened so that I went through computer science over there, and from there we had a nice group of people, students, and it happened so that Vashi uncle was saying we need to go to US for studies, and this group of students in this college also helped me to actually prepare for the exams, prepare for applications, and I got a lot of help just by being in that college and with this group of students. Right now, I would say at least like 95 to 97% of my graduating class is there all over here. And so that really helped me to actually also come. And then when I come, and in 12th grade I was talking to Vashi uncle, and Vashi uncle would say कि तारा question ताकि ना जवाब ताकि दिनकर uncle आपसे था ना. So, in engineering, we still used to talk. Vashi uncle would be on business trips. He would still call us. कि परमहंसोए आटला भजन लखे आज एक दिवस में आटला तू घरवा जाए आटલું કર્યું. He will give you some fact about something, and you would just hang up the phone. And there was one, I think it was in my 3rd year of engineering or 4th year of engineering, ચતુર્માસના નિયમ લેવાના આવે. And Vashi uncle said that I take a niyam, but I'll call you every day. આપણે નિયમ લેવાનો હોય એના માટે એમને નિયમ લીધો કે હું તને ફોન કરીશ. And he used to call me wherever he was. He'd be all over the country, or even traveling. He would always call me, and he would talk to me for 5-10 minutes, and and would. So એટલું બધું સિંચન સામેથી કર્યું કે we didn't have to do anything. It was such a easy thing that he did for us. And then we came here, and then of course over here with all the bhaios and Dinkar uncle, Bapu, and everyone. Things just turned out to be better and better, So I think in a nutshell, that was like this, how I am where I am right now. But I think I want to take this opportunity to pray to Dinkar uncle, Guruji, Bharat Bhai, Vashi Bhai, Bapu, that the 2018 function holds a special significance in your hearts, and it so does it in our hearts as well. And the prayer that we have is that we really want to serve on your condition, in your direction, and totally, give away ourselves so that you can use us the way you want, the way you like for this function, Personally, if you use me, that would be my greatest blessing on me, my greatest fortune. So I pray to Tingar uncle, ભરતભાઈ, વશીભાઈ, ગુરુજી and બાપુ that આપ શાસન કરીને અમારી પાસે આપને ગમતી એવું આપને જે કરાવ્યું એવી સેવા કરાવો, ખાસ કરીને 2018ના ફંક્શન પાછળ અને પછી પાછળ પણ એવી પ્રાર્થના. સજાન સાંઈ મહારાજની જય.